Top 5 Antivirus for Smartphone. Avast Mobile Security. Avast is a well-known name in the antivirus industry, and their mobile security app offers a range of features such as malware scanning, Wi-Fi security, app locking, call blocking, and anti-theft tools. Bitdefender Antivirus Free. Bitdefender is a lightweight and effective antivirus app that provides real-time scanning, phishing protection, and anti-theft features. It offers a free version with basic protection. Avira Antivirus Security. Avira offers a free antivirus app for Android that provides malware scanning, anti-theft tools, identity protection, and privacy scanning for installed apps. McAfee Mobile Security. McAfee offers a comprehensive mobile security app with features like malware scanning, app privacy monitoring, anti-theft tools, Wi-Fi security, and call blocking. Kaspersky Mobile Antivirus. Kaspersky is a well-respected name in the cybersecurity field, and their mobile antivirus app offers features like malware scanning, real-time protection, anti-phishing, and anti-theft capabilities. Norton Mobile Security. Norton is another trusted name in the antivirus industry, and their mobile security app offers features such as malware scanning, call blocking, app locking, Wi-Fi security, and anti-theft tools. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Sinkoo Top 5 for more videos.